In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Workspace smart features in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gmail website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your inbox. Once you're inside Gmail, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon and to open settings. From there, click See All Settings to open the full settings page. Stay on the General tab, then scroll down until you find the section called Smart Features and Personalization. In this section, uncheck the box for Turn on Smart Features in Gmail Chat and Meet. As soon as you uncheck it, a pop-up will appear asking you to reload the page. Click Reload to apply the changes. After the page refreshes, go back into Settings again by clicking the gear icon and selecting See All Settings. Scroll down once more to the same Smart Features and Personalization section. Now click on the button that says Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. A pop-up window will appear where you can control additional smart feature options. Inside this window, uncheck the box for Smart Features in Google Workspace. If you want to further limit personalization, you can also uncheck the option for smart features in other Google products. Once you've made your selections, click Done or Save in the pop-up window to confirm. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the General tab and click Save Changes to apply everything to your account. Disabling these smart features increases your privacy and reduces AI-based personalization. This means Gmail will stop using your email content and activity to power features like Smart Compose, Smart Reply, reminders, and AI-assisted suggestions, giving you a more manual and controlled experience. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.